Grounding essential oils. Ancient, earthy, and warm. This list will reconnect you to the grounding nature of the earth. Stay tuned to the end and I will throw in one of my favorite tips for taking your grounding oils with you wherever you go. Hi, I'm Marcia Chase. Welcome to my channel. I've been making some videos lately on grounding and color breathing for the color red, grounding stones, and I thought I would do a video on some essential oils that you can use for grounding. This will kind of round out some of the tools I've been putting together in the last few weeks. The other video that is worth checking out that I just posted is how to calm anxiety fast. And this grounding essential oils would be a good fit for calming out anxiety fast. I think this would be a tool I'd add to that list. I think we could all use a bit of that at this point. So subscribe to my channel, check the bell so you'll be notified of my next video, and let's get started. My favorite grounding oils are the ancient oils that tend to be resins and have rich aromas that are to be savored. These oils will slow you down and make you stop and really take them in for a moment. On this list are frankincense, myrrh, sandalwood, spikenard. These are ancient oils that were used in Egypt, often used for embalming and ceremonies. And then I would add to this list, Palo Santo is also one of my favorites. And it comes from a tree in South America, but it is a cousin of these other ancient trees where the resin oils come from. So my first group of oils that I think are my favorite for grounding are these ancient oils. Earthy oils for me are the oils that come from the trees. Just being outside in the forest and smelling that scent of pine, juniper, spruce, or cedarwood has a grounding effect on me. And the trees are also ancient. And just that you can take that energy with you, like a little bottle of essential oils, and have it with you whenever you need that. That's just what an awesome tool. So for this little section of list of oils, I'm going to say spruce, pine, juniper, cedarwood, and Daho Balsam Fir. But I know there are a bunch more that I'm not thinking of right now. So definitely the oils that come from the trees. This last little section of oils that I always think of when I think of grounding oils are the warming oils, the cozy ones that make me think of getting warm by the fire on a wintry day. So for me, those are cinnamon, cardamon, nutmeg, clove. I wanted to include that one last little tool of a way to take your essential oils with you wherever you go, and that is to put a little drop on a lava stone bead. It could be a bracelet, necklace, earrings, and it's handy because the scent sticks around. When you put the oils on your skin, they soak right in, and they have all these great health benefits, but sometimes you want to still be able to smell your scent later, and it fades away. If you put it on a little drop of lava, it sticks around. It's great if you want to put your thieves on it when you're traveling, or if you have to work, be around groups of people, this is a handy tool. So I make these diffusers. I was doing craft shows quite a bit before the pandemic, but now the only place that I have them up is on Etsy. So you can find them in my Etsy shop. And yeah, they're one of my favorite things. So the oils that I right away think of that are so great for grounding, that are my favorites, are probably just a short list. There are so many oils that are great for grounding. So if you have oils that are your favorites for grounding, I would love to hear about it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.